Welcome this video transforming your outdoor space. Deep Paglo Patio idea introducing your outdoor space in this extension of your house and creative choosy and invited atmosphere in your backyard can significance enhance your quality of life. One of the best way to do this is by add a pergola patio. Pergola patio do not provide shade and protection, but also add a touch of elegance to your outdoor area. We will explore some great and budget friendly parlor patio invite and stage to inspire your next house improvement project. Classic wood parlor. A classic wood parlor is a timeless adding to any patio with its clear line and natural aesthetic. It can transform your outdoor space into a charm reset. To create this deep pergola, you need wood, bomb, post, and a few basic carpentry skills. Finish it with a cast of stone or point that complement your house interior for a porcelain looking minimalist metal pergola for a modern and minimalist look. Consider a metal pergola material look state and alone can give your patio a sleek and in-depth appearance. Other of a small design with clean line and shape again to architecture with com- comfortable from you can label and material and print for a lost Arabic look and choose a material finish the complement your outlook design. Rustic timber pagla ambience are most rustic and charming atmosphere by statement. A timber pagla use reclaimed and weather wood to create a weather again look that added chapter. to your outdoor area and integrate outdoor lights and comfortable seat to complement the cozy ambience. This deep project will make your patio fluid look away and invite resetting. Canopy Pergola. Canopy Pergola is an experience choose of those who when visitor in those outdoor space. You can attractive and retractable canopy or shade glade to your pergola, allowing you to control and amount of sunlight and shade. This project means that your patio remains comfortable and usable enhance on this hot day make it project of outdoor entertainment. Conclusion enhance your outdoor space with a Pagla patio, a rewarding project that can significant integrate your house venue and your overall quality of life, whether you other of classic food pagla angan grass pagla or his minimalist metal that probability and choose the design the best guide your style to need and on your journey to transform your outdoor space into a way. Your patio will do not only look stained but also be far a fantastic